What's wrong, baby? Do you need more food on it? Here.
Oh my.
You're supposed to get it in your mouth, not all over the place. Here. Use that tongue, huh?
Check out this hand, it's good. Smells great, cracks, dark steel. And a clone to kill it once the general comes out on turn 4. Well, this comes out on another half a turn 4. Clone.
Yep. It's pretty good. Aww. Oh goodness. You're on video, D. Say hello.
Hello.
Hey.
Am I?
Mm-hmm. That whole thing.
You're showing off cards. That's on number 2 of 13. 3.
Baby. Hey.
Say yum 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 yum
She's
yum.
almost eating this whole jar of baby food.
She was hungry.
Or Daddy just knows how to make her eat. Hey. Want any more?
No, when she starts crawling away, she usually doesn't want any more.
Okay then.
This is why I usually don't put her in the high chair, because that's how I know she's finished, if she starts to crawl away. And I'm worried I overfeed her when she's in the high chair, because she can't crawl away. You know?
Uh-huh. How do you get it in your nose?
You should wash the spoon off and give it to her to chew on. What's the matter, baby? Uh-oh.
She got the wipes.
She's gonna get the wipes.
She ate almost all of it.
Oh. Excellent. I don't know how you get her to do that. Oh my.
Growl?
That was a belch. That's a good belch. You impressed Uncle Nate. He thought you growl.
She didn't growl.
Oh goodness. Stick that front on your face. Don't worry, I won't get it all.
Did you like scratch her face with the spoon or something?
No.
She's all red.
No. She has stuff all over her hands though.
She's gonna look like a vampire baby. Because the next 2 teeth that's coming in, she's already got one up here, and it's not one of the middle ones. It's the ones next to the middle one. So it's this one, and then the other one's coming in too. I can feel it up under her gums. She's gonna look like a little vampire.
Avanti, sacchi, blood. Anyway. Alright. You're done, baby. Love you, mommy.
Love you too.
Love you, baby. You're such a good eater.